Welcome. If you're tired of getting sound notifications every time someone adds you to a group on Facebook, you're not alone. With the latest Facebook web update, managing these alerts has changed slightly, but don't worry, it's still quick and easy to fix. Let's go step by step and turn off the sound for joined groups notifications on your PC. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. When the notifications panel opens, focus on the top area of that section. You'll notice three small dots, also known as the Options menu. Click on those three dots to open more settings. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can control all your notification preferences. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Tags. This is where Facebook manages alerts related to tagging activity, including when you're added to groups. Click on Tags to expand the options. Inside, look for the setting related to joined groups. You'll see a toggle that controls whether you receive notifications for this activity. Simply turn off or disable the Joined Groups option. Once it's switched off, Facebook will stop sending sound notifications when someone adds you to a group. That's it. You've successfully muted those unwanted alerts, making your Facebook experience a lot quieter and less distracting. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other notification settings as well. A few small changes can make a big difference in how you use Facebook every day.